This is Rummon from Singapore. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe my channel. There is a concert going on. I'll go there now.
But you will set me free, and baby, you know how you got something that I just can't resist. Baby, you got something. Please don't hold me. Please don't run your fingers through my hair. Don't you kiss me, 'cause we both know it.
From the down, I saw this is the lightning area. I decided to come here and take some photos. This is the same level, second level. I am standing. Here is the all this lightning, very beautiful. Behind, when you can see, there is a down. There is also cafe, restaurant, and the accessory to the Marina Bay from the Esplanade. So beautiful here. Very beautiful view. And all it's come here. Here is the end part. This is the place where I'm standing now, second floor of Esplanade, and I have finished my watching concert, and now it's time for going down. People are also coming from all these shows, all this what's happened here every day. I'm very happy to be here. Show leaflets and posters, and these are people after show, finishing show. They're coming by. This Esplanade lift is very strange. It's like all soundproof. I don't know why. So those are lights where I was there few moments before. The view from down now. I came out from there. People are sitting there drinking and chilling, having fun. The second floor is this. I am now actually standing exactly on the light of the theater on the bay. How it looks like. It's very strong light. Here is the night view. It's more beautiful than daytime. And here is the Marlion. Very beautiful reflection. This is the famous skyline of Singapore. And this water is Marina Bay Harbor. You know what is it already. If you see my video, you should know what is it. Marina Bay Sand Hotel. This is the theater on the bay. What else? Well, every part of this, every corner of this place is really very beautiful. So if I make photo like this, it will appear like this. And if I make photo like this, it will appear like this. Every corner has their own appearance. Very beautiful place, very good place to spend time. Just sit here, see water. You will see that 1 hour, 2 hours will go away, fly away. Very good place. This duck is going to be my dinner tonight. Not whole, of course, half. All this. Other dishes here. And the other shop has their dishes. I am currently in a place like this. There are few hundreds of people are eating in the open place, I'll be there also. I'll sit. Big place, very big, the white place. It's just behind the theater by the gate. How it look like. This is the shop I'm waiting for. I don't know exactly how many people here, but there are lots of people here, many people here. That part is like bamboo. This is my dinner. Roasted duck, roasted Peking duck, sauce and a rice. This is my front view. Here are my dinner. Peking duck with rice. This is some kind of sauce, I don't know what it is. At first, let me try that duck. Famous Peking duck. Awesome taste. Very tasty. Very delicious. Very meat is very tender. And the skin is crispy. But the meat inside very tender. Very tasty, very delicious. What is this? This sauce, one of the most tastiest sauce I have ever eaten. Very good. Very good. After my heavy Peking duck dinner, I am drinking my sugar and juice. No ice. Very delicious. I don't know where is the place. What is the name of the place? Well, it's of course something near theater, by the way, Esplanade. This is the taxi stand I'm waiting now. It is Esplanade shopping mall. People are also waiting. Already finished my Esplanade watching and everything. I'm going home now.
You are so beautiful to me. You're everything I could ever need. And all I want is to be here with you. Is to be here with you. Is to be